Hi guys, just wanted to share this short story with you about the Keurig coffee maker and the Great Value donut shop. I mean, it doesn't have to be this combination. There's, I think, in general a problem with the Keurig coffee maker when there are cups or when you are using these cups here and they are a little bit overfilled or they have a little bit too much pressure in it. So you can see that here they are like bulged here, and usually this has not happened before. Usually there was no problem. I think maybe like Walmart has changed the recipe, or I mean manufacturing process, when you just put it like normal inside into the Keurig coffee maker and you push it down and you start making coffee, then there's a huge chance that it will somehow explode inside. I mean, there's no real explosion, but it will just cause a mess. So my advice is to open it again and push it down again and then only brew it. So here in this video I'm not showing the whole thing, but it is just what I found by chance. I mean, that's usually the brand which my wife is using, and we have been using this for years and we never had problem. Like with the Great Value, always has been working good. I mean, maybe 1 out of 100 was causing a mess, but usually there was no mess. It was working really good. And in a sudden and when we realized it really had this bulged shape and really a lot of pressure, and then it started with this problem, and it drove us crazy. We almost every time had a huge mess. We had to clean. There was no coffee. I mean, instead of enjoying the coffee, you had to clean the whole thing, and it was waste of money. And my wife was freaking out, and I just looked at it and I thought, okay, yeah, maybe we just have to get rid of a little bit of the pressure and then do it again. I mean, yeah, and so it worked. I mean, at least since we have started to doing this behavior, and instead of just pushing it down and start, we just push down and open and push again down and then start making coffee. And since then, I mean, that has been like a week ago or so. Since then we didn't have any problem at all anymore, and yeah, at least for us it seems to be working, and hope it will work for you too. If you have any questions or comments or better solutions or whatever you have, please write everything down into the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things, and if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching and see you next time.